Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a simple quick tutorial on how to blend two images in Photoshop. So we're going to actually start off in Lightroom for these images. Now I have a couple images already set up and I was doing 3 exposures. So that is basically just 3 photos of the same thing, same scene, same position, just shot at first one after each other. Now this is really good for creating HDR photos. So I'm gonna press merge to Hdr Pro in Photoshop. Now it might take a while depending on how fast your computer is to load this onto Photoshop. Now this is the 2020 version. I just updated and it might take a little bit, so we're gonna wait real quick here until it loads. Now I wasn't sure. So the main point of doing this was to, as you can see down here, there's the different exposures. And this is about, so you have the normal exposure, you have the underexposure, and then you have the brightness. And so what I'm gonna do, there's just a bunch of different effects that we can go through. So edge glow, now this is sometimes, you're gonna see this glow on the edges of stuff. What I'm gonna do probably is actually bring the exposure a little bit up, because it's a little bit darker than I like to. Highlights up, saturation up, and I shouldn't really be doing too much editing in here, but you're gonna see a difference when I press OK. So once I press OK, it's gonna create this HDR file, and that is basically combining the photos together and blending them together. And so what you're gonna also get from this, if you focus on different areas, is you're also gonna focus stack. However, that's a different video. Link in the description if you want to see that. And we're going to just let it load for a little bit. And there's, as you can see, it's doing quite a bit of different things. It's just showing you what it's doing. And if you press cancel at any of these, it's probably going to stop at the point that you're at, so you'll probably end up with this photo if you cancel it. So it's not gonna destroy the whole thing, but you'll have to probably start over again from the start. And this is the final image. Now it's not too amazing, and I remember I was moving during this, so that's kind of why it ended up like this. But as you can see, it's very clear. And as you can see, the DPI is absolutely insane. You got 300 pixels per inch, and you know, this is a pretty big image to work with. And so you can edit this photo to what you would like. I don't know. Hold on, I think it might. No, it doesn't look like it imports back into Photoshop. But obviously this is a big difference from your 3 exposures that you have here. And obviously you can tweak the settings a little bit, but you definitely get a lot of that quality back in the sky, and you don't lose as much detail. And that is how you blend images in Lightroom and Photoshop. The Photoshop options are really handy for getting that fine-tuned detail that Lightroom doesn't give. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, this simple quick tutorial. I want to make some more, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.